morning students, welcome back to our online class. Today English class. In the last class we started a new lesson, the selfish giants. There are two giants in this play, but actually there are not two, only one giant. But two ages are shown. One giant represents the younger age, another giant represents the old giant, means old age. The younger giant was a selfish one, and the old giant is a changed giant. Changed means he became good now. So young giant is bad, old giant is good. He was very selfish. He had a garden, a very beautiful garden. The garden was full of green grass, and among the grass there were flowers like stars. And he liked and loved his garden very much. There were some fruit-bearing trees also. How many trees were there? There were 12 fruit-bearing trees. There were 12 fruit-bearing trees. Which fruit or which trees? Peach trees. And these trees blossomed in the spring and gave fruits in the autumn. Like that, these trees gave fruits in very good taste. Means they gave very good tasty fruits. And once the giant went to his friend. Who was his friend? Cornish ogre. He went to his friend to talk with him, and he stayed there how many years? 7 years. 7 years he stayed with his friends and said all things he had. Now nothing remains to say. When there is nothing to say, there is no use of staying there. So the giant decided to come back, and when he came back, he found that in his garden children are playing. The children, while coming back from the school, enter the garden and play there because it was a beautiful place to play. Giant became angry, shouted at them, and he said, "My garden is my own garden. I will not allow anybody else to play in it. Only I will play in it." So this dialogue of this play shows that the giant is selfish. This dialogue shows that the giant is very much selfish. After sending out the children, the young giant suddenly made a wall around his garden, a high wall around his garden, and prepared a notice board and placed it outside. What was the notice board reading? Trespassers will be prosecuted. If anybody came inside without permission, will be punished. That is the meaning of trespassers will be prosecuted. And the children, while going to school, saw this notice board and they whispered outside. The giant heard that. What were they whispering? Tall girl says, "Now we have nowhere to play." Short boy said, "We can play on the road." The square girl said, "But the road is very dirty. The road is very dirty." The road is full of dust. There is no grass on the road. Then graceful girl says, and full of hard stones. Full of hard stones. The road is full of hard stones. Who says that? Graceful girl. Then the round boy says, I don't like it. I don't like it. What doesn't he like? What doesn't the round boy like? The round boy doesn't like to play on the road. What is the reason for that? The reason is the road is dirty. The road has stones, hard stones which cause hurting. That's why he doesn't like it. Then graceful girl says, let us walk around the wall when our lessons are over. When the school leaves, let us walk around the wall. At least we can talk about the beautiful garden inside. Let us walk around the wall outside and speak about the beautiful garden inside once we used to play. The tall girl says, how happy we were there. How happy we were there. Round boy says, he is a very selfish giant. He is a very selfish giant. So here the children speak about the garden, the beauty of garden, and at the same time they speak about the bad nature of the giant. The round boy says that he is very selfish. Here you can see the name of the children are given as tall girl, short boy, square girl, graceful girl, round boy, graceful girl, like that. What does this show? This shows that children are of different types, different kinds. Instead of using the name of these children, the author used these kinds of names or these kinds of indications. Tall girl. So from this, what do we understand? Among the children, one girl was tall, others were not as tall as her. And one boy was a short boy. Short boy means all others were taller than him. Then a square girl. Square girl means a girl whose body structure is like that, like a square. Graceful girl. Graceful girl means a girl who is calm and quiet and very beautiful. And also round boy. Round boy means a boy who is very fat and looks like a ball. Such boys are there now. You know. So these kinds of indications are given to mention the children, and it gives us a very clear-cut picture about the children. It is another use of this is when we enact this play on a stage, we can select the children according to this. There will be no confusion about what kind of children needed. And you know, in this difference only beauty. In a garden, if different kinds of flowers are there, the garden is very beautiful. If there is only one kind of flower, it will not attract many. So, like that only, children also, if they are different types, we love them and we like them. Now the giant here starts, my own garden is my own garden. Anyone can understand that? and I will allow nobody to play in my garden but myself. I will not allow anybody to play in it. Only I will play in it. Ah! The children scattered because the giant suddenly came out and shouted the children. So they were afraid and they scattered. The picture you can see. Scatter means run here and there. All of them run here and there. And that is mentioned by scatter. Old giant. Now again old giant is speaking. Till now we have been watching the acting of these characters. The old giant is sitting on the stage and is saying the story. Now old giant says the story. Then the spring came and all over the country there were little blossoms and little birds. Only in my garden it was still winter. That means spring did not come into my garden. The spring season did not come into my garden. The birds did not come to sing. The birds did not come to sing. Earlier we found the birds sat on the branches of the tree and sang very sweet songs. Now the birds did not come and the trees forgot to blossom. The trees now did not get beautiful flowers in pink and violet. The people who were pleased best were the snow and the frost. The people who were pleased best. And any of them, na garden lo undadaniki chala ishtapade vallu. Those who liked to be in my garden the most were snow and frost. మా గార్డెన్లో ఇప్పుడు కూడా స్నో అండ్ ఫ్రోస్ట్ మాత్రమే ఉండేది. స్ప్రింగ్ ఇంకా రావట్లేదు. And snow and frost says, spring has forgotten this garden. So now we can live here all the year round. Spring has forgotten this garden. They are very happy. Who are very happy? Snow and frost are very happy and they say, spring has forgotten this garden. And so now we can live here all the year round. Old giant explains, the snow covered up the grass with her great white cloak. When snow falls on the grass, how does it look like? Fully white only, white. Cloak means kambli. Kambli ordinary undi. Ippudu grass. Elanti kambli? White. And the frost painted all the trees silver. Frost means ice. Ice covered all the trees in silver. Silver means the ice color. What is the color of ice? Silver like a white. Then they invited the north wind to stay with them. They invited the north wind. North wind is very cold wind, very cool. When he came, he was wrapped in heavy furs. North wind was wrapped in heavy fur. Fur means hair like a structure. He rounded all day about the garden and rejoiced in blowing the chimney pots over. The north winds moved inside the garden around and he rejoiced. The north wind was very happy in blowing the chimney pots over. Chimney pots. Chimney is a fireplace. Chimney means fireplace where people burn fire. Chimney pots. Pots are used there. So chimney pots, the north wind pushed and made it fall. Now north wind is saying, this is delightful spot. We must ask the hail to come on a visit. So North Visit says, it is very delightful space. We have to call our friend hail also. Hail, hailstone. That means ice cubes falling on the ground are called hail. Old giant explains. So the old hail came every day for 3 hours. He rattled on the roof of the castle. Rattled means the hail fell on the roof of my castle. Na kota roof lo ee hail alage padinappudu sound vinipinchindi. That's called rattled. Rattled on the roof of the castle till he broke most of the slates. Slates means the castle was covered with slabs, slates. They call it slates. Means flat slab. And then he ran round and round the garden as fast as he could go. Then what did he do? Very fast. Moved round and round inside the garden. He was dressed in grey. The color of his dress was grey. And his breath was like ice. I sat at the window and looked out at my cold white garden. So in my garden now who are there? Snow and frost. Then came north wind. Then came hailstones. And they were happily staying in my garden. The young giant now speaks. I cannot understand why the spring is so late in coming. Actually, outside the gate, outside the walls, there is spring. Why is it not coming inside? Why is the spring late to come inside? I hope there will be a change in the weather. I hope. In Ashistuna, there will be a change in the weather. Old giant explains. But the spring never came, nor the summer. The autumn gave golden fruit to every garden, but to my garden she gave none. That means spring season came and went, summer season came and went, autumn season came and went in other gardens. But in his garden there is only one season, that is winter season. Yeah. So in my garden there were no flowers, no fruits. Autumn season says, he is too selfish. The giant is too selfish, means very much selfish. And old giant says, so it was always winter here, and the north wind, and the hail, and the frost, and the snow danced about through the trees. These things danced about, moved around through the trees in my garden. Is the story interesting? It has a second part also. In the next class we shall read the second part. Till then you read the lesson several times. Watch the video again and again. Write down the notes, many sets that I give along with the video, and also answer the questions I sent to you. Okay? Thank you.